Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful, I would say day, but that's not quite accurate. More so just quite the eventful afternoon. That's when the vast majority of the volume came pouring in. Price was all over the place, got halted. And ultimately, you got to give credit where credit's due. Price showed a nice sign of strength. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was down there, but ultimately was able to bounce all the way up there. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but you also have to give credit and say that was a very nice bounce. But that does lead to the question of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area going forward, and that is right down here at $3.50. Why is $3.50 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $3.50. If the price were to come down to $3.50 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, that would be starting to put the price back down to these lows where it was when it was flirting with, lows that haven't been seen for a very long time. But the point being, that would be putting the price back to where it was, and going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and that's the true sign of power. It's not necessarily price just going straight up, but just higher lows being built and put into place. In the event the price does continue on up, key levels of resistance going forward going to be that 50-period moving average, which is the purple line. And basically the pink line there is also valued at the same, the pink line being the 200-period. But both those areas are essentially valued right there at the round number of $5. So keep a close eye on that. All in all, though, crazy movement. Good news is the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.